Saddle up and think of Mick Jagger. I've called this arrangement Wild Horses. It's pretty wild. First up, these rather fabulous Volker-Fried delphinium. Next, some beautiful pale pink sweet avalanche roses. Some amazing lemony waxflower. Some beautiful antirrhinums. Some popping irises. And some very wild pistache foliage. Snip an inch. Shouldn't do any sort of horse analogy, should I? Metaphor. Trim your horse's hooves. And use your flower food. Start with your lovely foliage arranged evenly around the edge of your vase, creating a nest. Fill the gaps with your roses. Create an even triangle with your antirrhinums a little more centrally, using the other stems for support. And fill the gaps with your delphiniums. Fill up the middle with your lovely waxflower. And finish with your irises dotted throughout. I hope you enjoy this wonderful arrangement. See you next time.